Explorers, welcome back to another episode of Get Schooled. I'm Miss Danielle, and today we're going to be joining Daniel James on the Waynesboro Educational Farm to learn more about mixtures and solutions. Before we join Daniel James, let's talk about something that we all enjoy: food. Food's not only tasty, it's also science. Mixing together different ingredients can create new textures and new flavors, and that's exactly what Daniel James is going to be doing today on the farm. So as Daniel James gets busy mixing and experimenting with fresh vegetables at Waynesboro Educational Farm, I want you to pay close attention to how adding different ingredients to the salad can create a different mixture, and how the different ingredients can work together to create a new solution. Let's see what he's up to. Hey Daniel, how are you? How's the farm?
Hi Explorers, I'm Daniel James, and today we're at the Waynesboro Education Farm, where we're going to learn about mixtures and solutions, and we're going to meet my friends Ryan Blosser and Michael Perry to learn more. Let's go find them. Michael, Ryan, thanks so much for having me today. Can you tell me what this place is?
DJ, thanks for coming and hanging with us today. Waynesboro Education Farm is an extension of our city schools classrooms. We serve the people of Waynesboro and its students.
And the great thing about being the principal here at Berkeley Glen is that this farm is on our property. And we know that our kids learn better and learn best by getting their hands dirty and working. So it's great for them to come out and learn this way.
Yeah, this looks so much different than the classroom that I had. I mean, you guys, the walls, everything. So this is where the kids learn?
Yes, sir.
And there's an actual classroom too?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is an extension of the classroom. So they go to school and then come out here and they get to learn right on the property. That's awesome. So
This is school.
This is school.
This is
cool. What are we going to learn about today?
Today we're going to learn about mixtures and solutions.
Fantastic. Where are we going to do that?
We're going to do part of it here in the greenhouse and the rest in our outdoor kitchen.
So like actually where everything is growing, we're going to make something and then we're going to go learn somewhere else.
Absolutely.
This is awesome. Let's
From
go.
stuff we pulled off the farm, just picked this morning.
Let's do it. All right, so what do we have in front of it? Is it snack time?
Almost.
Okay.
First, I want to teach you something.
Okay.
Today we're going to learn about mixtures. Mixtures are when you combine multiple substances together that can then be sorted out into their own parts.
Gotcha. And then it's snack time. Actually, I'm curious, what explorer discovered what a mixture is?
That's a good question. I'm not sure a single explorer discovered it. Humans like to classify things, helps us order our world and explore our world, so I like to use that word. One of the cool things about Waynesboro Education Farm is this is where we order, explore, and classify. So it's like a great playground for that work.
That's exciting. So what have we got in front of us?
What we're gonna use in our mixture, we're gonna eat in a little bit. We've got baby kale.
Just making sure.
Fresh off the farm, we just cut this morning. We've got
Yeah.
arugula, one of my favorite peppery greens.
Oh, spicy.
Yeah,
Okay.
to balance that spice, we've got sweet strawberries that are just coming into season. And then we've got a fiery radish to add some crunch.
Look at this guy.
That's right.
I can feel it. Is there an easier way to eat it though?
Much easier. We're not quite ready to eat yet. And it sounds like you're all about getting the mixture going already.
I'm a little hungry.
We've got a safety knife to cut the radishes
That's a good
and the
idea.
strawberries together. And then when we get it all cut, we're gonna mix together in this bowl. Here you go, dude.
Fantastic. Can we do one more thing?
Absolutely.
Can we montage making it?
Sounds like fun.
All right. Got it.
Put this right here because we're gonna slice that.
That does not
Make it a
taste-
little smaller.
You can actually taste the spice. That's unlike anything I get in the store. Wow. And do I need to cut
Nope,
this?
throw that,
oh,
throw
okay.
that bad boy in. There we go.
It might be. All right, so that's great. What's next?
That's our crunch. Now we need our sweet.
That looks good.
So DJ, that montage was fun.
Thank you so much. It makes cooking so much more exciting.
It really does. Yes, it really does. And we've got a nice mixture here now. And you know how we know this is a mixture?
No.
How many substances did we put in here?
5.
Well, let's count: kale,
Kale,
arugula,
arugula,
strawberry,
Yep.
and radish.
Oh shoot, 4.
That's all right. So we got 4 substances
4.
in there. And can we see all of them down in there?
Yep.
Now let's see if we can separate them, sort them apart.
Okay.
All right. See if you can find a strawberry.
All right, fantastic. So I have got
All
a
right.
strawberry.
Now find a piece of kale.
Piece of kale, baby kale. I've got
right.
a piece of baby kale.
How about the fresh arugula?
Fresh arugula. Let's see. This is some, let me check. All right, fresh arugula.
And now the radish.
And a radish. We got this guy right there.
Does this seem like a mixture to you?
It does.
Absolutely. So you know what a mixture is then.
Kind of. I know what a mixtape is, you know, because DJ. Yeah, no, I get what
got you.
Yeah, no, it's a mixture.
Are you ready to go learn about solutions?
Yes, I will be right there with you. Can you give me 1 second?
Absolutely. I'll see you in the outdoor kitchen.
That sounds great. Thank you. So Michael, where are we now?
We are now in our outdoor kitchen where we are going to learn how to make a solution.
Okay, and what is a solution specifically?
So you just learned how to do a mixture, right?
Right.
Okay, so the difference between a solution and a mixture, do you remember the difference?
No, that's why I was asking
Oh,
you.
that's true. All right.
Yeah.
So the difference is that the solution is going to be chemically bonded versus where you could just pick out the different pieces. Once we make this solution of the salad dressing, you're not going to be able to separate it.
So what's a good example of something that's not a solution but maybe feels like one?
So one of the things that we were going to do today was to make a smoothie. Our good friend and teacher here at Berkeley Glen, Daniel Lee, had a nice smoothie mixture, like a nice smoothie recipe. But he's so good. He's so good. He reminded me that it was not actually, that a smoothie is not actually a solution because it's not chemically bonded.
Oh.
You can actually separate the pieces still.
So
it's more of a suspension.
Does that means we don't get to have smoothies today?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's okay, but we get to make salad dressing? Is
Yes,
that what we're doing?
Exactly. We get to make salad dressing. And
Tell me about it.
I'm going to let you cut again, all right?
Cool.
So we've got several different ingredients here, and I think I'm actually going to let you try the big boy knife. I heard that Mr. Blosser
That's fine.
wouldn't let you use the big boy knife.
No, but it is nice to know that there are these 2 different knives. So this one's a safety knife and it's plastic,
Right.
and then this one's an actual knife. So we need to be very
Exactly.
careful. No montage.
No montage.
Cool.
here.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah. So what we have here, we have some oregano, we have some apple cider vinegar,
that's
we have
spicy.
some extra virgin olive oil, we have lemon juice, garlic, salt, and a little bit of black pepper.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is use this mason jar, and we're going to put all these ingredients in here, shake it up, and make this solution.
Perfect. Let's get started.
So why don't you take a little bit of, yep, perfect. Let's chop up just a little bit. Think about what you would like to taste with your oregano. Perfect. And you can go ahead and drop that on in.
All right. We'll make sure it's all separated out so we can see all the little pieces. Boom.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to do equal parts of apple cider vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. If you'll notice on the side of the jar, there are little ticks here.
Yep.
So we're not having a huge salad today. It's just you, me, and Mr. Blosser.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah. So why don't we do one line of olive oil and then take it up to the next line with the apple cider vinegar.
Okay, sounds good. So we'll go down here and we'll do to the first line right there.
Perfect.
And then we'll take the apple cider vinegar, which is now...
Very hard to open because I have olive oil on my hands. Nope.
Could you help me?
I can help
Thank
you.
you.
This happens at lunch every day.
That's okay.
So,
All right, so then I'm gonna fill up the apple cider vinegar to right there. All right, and then what's next?
with our lemon juice, let's do half of what we just did. So in between that line that you just finished on
Cool.
and the next line, put it right in the middle.
Awesome. So right here, boom.
Perfect. Now, salt, garlic, pepper, those are all things that we like to do to taste.
Okay.
So depending on how spicy and how salty you like your dressings,
Yeah.
why don't you add what you think that you would like inside of it?
Cool, so I'll put it out into my hand first so I don't overdo it. And then we'll put that in. That look good?
That looks great.
All right, and then we'll do some of this garlic. All right. And same thing, just drop that in. I think all of that can go in, I'll be fine. All right, and then for salt. All right,
Just a little pinch.
little pinch.
Lovely.
Okay.
All right, here's your lid. Make sure you screw it on pretty tight because you don't want all that olive oil and apple cider vinegar all over you.
And then just shake it?
Shake it.
I'm excited. Okay, all right. Is it a solution yet?
We're almost there.
Okay.
I believe we have a solution.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. All right, so now what do we do with this? Onto the salad right now?
Now it's going to be onto the salad.
All right. Guys, thank you so much for having me today and teaching me about this too. So remember, what we learned is the difference between a mixture and a solution. And a mixture, like my salad here, can be taken back apart, while a solution, like my salad dressing here, cannot. And this salad is about to become a mixture or a solution in my body.
Well, we'll talk about digestion next time.
Okay. Thanks again, explorers. See you next time.